Let's face it, face obesity may be a huge confidence killer. It's something that many of us battle with, and it may seem really aggravating. You could be putting in the effort, working out frequently, and eating well, but that stubborn face fat simply doesn't seem to go away. You hit the gym, you're growing muscle, and you're seeing growth in your physique. But when you look in the mirror, that face fat simply won't go. It's like no matter how hard you work, your face doesn't represent the effort you're putting in. It's like looking in the mirror and seeing two distinct persons, the fit physique you're aiming for and a face that doesn't quite match. This might be frustrating and make you feel like you're not making any progress at all. But don't worry, there's a solution. You don't have to live with that frustration forever. There are techniques to target facial fat directly and obtain the appearance you desire. You can lose that facial fat and preserve your hard-gained muscles. It's all about finding the correct method and sticking to it. With the correct methods, you may see genuine results. It's about working smarter, not harder. You don't need to spend countless hours at the gym or follow severe diets. Instead, concentrate on a balanced strategy that combines effective training with healthy diet. This isn't about fast remedies or fad diets. Those could give short effects, but they won't aid you in the long term. Sustainable adjustments are important to enduring success. It's about knowing the science underlying fat reduction and muscle preservation. Knowing how your body operates and what it requires may make all the difference. We're going to go deep into the tactics that work, providing you the skills to create a leaner, more defined face while preserving the muscle you've worked so hard for. From specialized workouts to dietary recommendations, we've got you covered. Get ready to alter your face and your confidence. Let's get started. With perseverance and the correct instruction, you'll be astonished at what you can accomplish. So let's go on this adventure together and make those dreams a reality. You can't outtrain a terrible diet. This is particularly true when it comes to decreasing facial fat. What you consume has a major effect in how your face appears. It's not only about calorie restriction, it's about making wise choices that fuel your body and stimulate weight reduction. Think of your body as a machine. To work properly, it requires the correct nourishment. Gasoline, processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats are like pouring poor quality gasoline in a high-performance engine. They contribute to inflammation, water retention, and yep, you guessed it, face fat. Instead, concentrate on full unprocessed meals that offer your body with the nutrition it needs to flourish. This means emphasizing lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Protein is your secret weapon in the battle against facial fat. It's not just about lowering calories, it's about making sure your body gets the appropriate nutrients to grow and retain muscle. It's the building block of muscle, and maintaining muscle mass is crucial to obtaining a slim, defined image. When you lift weights or participate in resistance training, your muscles incur small rips that need to be mended. When you ingest adequate protein, you tell your body to hang on to that vital muscle while burning fat for fuel. This is significant because muscular tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even while you're at rest. Think of protein as the building crew of your body. Just as a team of workers builds and fixes a home, protein helps repair and rebuild your muscle tissue. It restores and rebuilds muscle tissue, ensuring your metabolism keeps revved up and burning calories, even at rest. This implies that even when you're not actively working out, your body is still working hard to burn calories. Aim to incorporate a source of protein with every meal. This doesn't imply you have to eat a steak at every sitting, but integrating a range of protein sources may make a major impact. Lean meats, poultry, such as grilled chicken breast or roasted turkey slices, fish, such as grilled fish fillet, eggs, whether scrambled or hard-boiled beans and lentils and tofu, are all good providers of this muscle-building mineral. These meals not only aid in muscle restoration, but also keep you feeling full and pleased by making protein a priority. You'll not only maintain your heart and muscle, but also support a healthy metabolism and encourage total fat reduction, even in your face. This balanced approach to diet guarantees that you're nourishing your body with what it needs to be strong and slim. Don't let the term fat intimidate you. Healthy fats are crucial for general health and may actually assist in weight reduction. They make you feel full and satisfied, avoiding overeating and cravings. They also play a role in regulating hormones, including those that promote fat accumulation. Think of good fats as the lubrication that keeps your body working smoothly. They enhance cell function, nutrition absorption, and even assist decrease inflammation, which may contribute to a bloated look. Incorporate sources such as avocados, nuts. Water is frequently underestimated, yet it's one of the simplest but most powerful weapons in your arsenal for decreasing face fat. Staying adequately hydrated helps drain away extra salt and fluids that may make your face seem puffy. It also promotes normal cell function and may even help regulate your hunger. Think of water as the internal cleaner that keeps your system working properly. When you're dehydrated, your body tries to hold on to water, resulting to bloating, particularly around the face. Aim to drink lots of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to remain hydrated. You may also add flavor with pieces of lemon, cucumber, or mint, chiseling your way to a defined appearance. Just like any other muscle in your body, the muscles in your face may be toned and shaped with training. Facial workouts may assist increase muscular tone, giving your face a more defined and young look. Think of these movements as small workouts for your face. They target particular muscle groups, helping to tighten and tone the skin. While they won't immediately burn fat, they may add to a more contoured appearance. Examples of facial workouts include cheek lifts, jaw clenches, and fish face. Incorporate these workouts into your everyday routine for a natural method to improve your face characteristics. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a very efficient strategy to burn fat and retain muscle mass. This style of exercise has achieved enormous popularity owing to its efficiency and efficacy. Unlike standard steady-state cardio, HIIT exercises are meant to push your body to its limits in short, intense bursts. It features short bursts of vigorous activity alternating with shorter recuperation intervals. These intervals might vary from 20 seconds to a few minutes depending on the program. The objective is to offer full effort during the high-intensity stages and then allow your body to recuperate just enough to go hard again. This style of exercise keeps your heart rate up, optimizing calorie burn both during and after your workout. The raised heart rate guarantees that your body is working hard, which in turn leads to a larger calorie expenditure. Even after you complete your exercise, your body continues to burn calories at an increased pace, a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect. Think of HIIT as a metabolic turbocharger. It cranks up your metabolism, making it more effective at burning calories. This is especially advantageous for people seeking to shed weight without compromising muscular mass. It not only destroys calories, but also improves your metabolism, enabling you to continue to burn fat even at rest. This implies that the advantages of an HIIT exercise extend well beyond the time you spend exercising. Your body becomes a more effective fat-burning machine, even when you're not actively working out. This is crucial for decreasing facial fat while retaining muscular mass. By retaining muscle, you guarantee that your body stays strong and toned, even while you remove unnecessary fat. This is particularly helpful for people who wish to create a slim, sculpted image. Incorporate HIIT exercises into your regimen 2 to 3 times each week. Consistency is key for seeing outcomes. By making HIIT a regular component of your exercise plan, you may experience the advantages of enhanced cardiovascular health, greater endurance, and a more efficient metabolism. You may perform bodyweight workouts, sprints, or utilize equipment like kettlebells and jump ropes. The adaptability of HIIT means you can modify your exercises to suit your tastes and fitness level. Whether you're in the gym or at home, there's a HIIT exercise for you. The goal is to push yourself during the hard phases and allow for ample recuperation. This balance between effort and relaxation is what makes high HIIT so effective. Remember to listen to your body and adapt the intensity and length of your intervals when required to minimize injury and for long-term success. Believe it or not, a good night's sleep is vital for shedding face fat. When you're sleep deprived, your body creates more of the stress hormone cortisol, which may contribute to increased fat accumulation, particularly in the face. Think of sleep as your body's reset button. It's during sleep that your body repairs and rebuilds muscular tissue, regulates hormones, and flushes out toxins. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Build a pleasant nighttime ritual, and make sure your bedroom is cold, dark, and silent. Prioritizing sleep is one of the finest things you can do for your general health and your face fat reduction objectives. Stress is a part of life, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, especially your face. When you're anxious, your body produces cortisol, which may contribute to increased fat accumulation, especially in the abdomen region and face. Think of stress management as a strategy to keep cortisol under control. Find healthy strategies to handle stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These exercises may help reduce cortisol levels, lowering fat accumulation and creating a leaner face. Incorporate stress-lowering activities into your everyday routine. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation may make a difference. Remember, controlling stress is not only important for your mental health, but also for your physical attractiveness. Losing facial fat and retaining muscular mass is not a fast remedy. It's a path that takes consistency and perseverance. There may be days when you're tempted to miss a workout or indulge in bad meals, but it's vital to remember that consistency is key to getting permanent outcomes. Think about it like this. Every healthy decision you make, every exercise you complete, is a step closer to your goal. Stay devoted to the process and you will see results. Track your progress, enjoy your wins, and don't be hesitant to seek for assistance when you need it. Remember, you're in this for the long haul, and consistency is what will finally lead you to success. Losing facial fat and retaining muscle mass is not only about altering your look, it's about enhancing your whole health and well-being. For further information, it's about feeling secure and comfortable in your own flesh. Think of this trip as a chance to become the finest version of yourself. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and don't be hesitant to show off your hard work. You've got this. Stay devoted, stay constant, and watch as you alter your looks and your life. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.